What's up, y'all? It's been a minute. I haven't posted in a bit, but I got some content now. We're currently prepping for Hurricane. I always forget the name of it. It's a weird name. Idalia. Yeah, it's gonna be probably the worst hurricane we've seen. It's gonna be pretty rough, but it's pretty weather right now, I can tell you that. But in about 40 something hours, it's not gonna look like this. So yeah, we're moving everything out. Gonna move up inland about 30 miles, something like that, which probably still isn't gonna be too great, but it's better than getting off the coast. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Category 3 is a lot. 120 mile-an-hour winds. 11, 12-foot surge. It could do a lot of damage. Alright. Mom's prepping for, I don't know. Whatever
Taco pie.
Taco pie. Whatever that is. But yeah, hopefully this place won't be gone. Say what's up, Max. We love Max. She sent me to go get some sour cream, so let's go. Alright, so let's talk about this hurricane. So as of now, it's heading just about right over us. The center is predicted to be about 30 miles south of us. Still way too close. Way too close for comfort. As of now, this is what it's predicting to look like. Well, yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like. And I mean, it could do some damage. Wherever it hits is gonna do damage. Here, we're at a small town. We're not built for big storms. We've never had anything like this. So if it hits us, it's gonna be rough. It's gonna be rough for everybody down here. Secure the bag. Huge shout out to the cash register lady. She saved me. I grabbed a thing of cabbage, because apparently cabbage and lettuce are different things. And yeah, she was like, just making sure that you know it's cabbage. And I was like, oh, I did not. So yeah, Keaton Beach bums, let's give her a raise. What's up, y'all? It's currently 8:12 and I forgot to film the ending to the video last night because I was filming another banger video for you guys. But yeah, it's currently the day before the hurricane, and I just got the news that it has not gotten any better. That's great. And I think my dad's honking at me because I gotta go. It's because we gotta pull out a bunch of docks and a bunch of other stuff, so let's get to it. Little pre-hurricane drizzle. That's always fun. There's the U-Haul. There's my shop. Let's get all of this moved out. I already moved my belt sander. I got that in there, but I still have a lot left. I got a bunch of stuff in there. All these tools. And I think we still got some stuff in the shed. It's a mess. It's a mess. Alright, I'm making progress. Very slowly. But we're getting somewhere, so that's good. Now I got to figure out how to get this vise off, because I don't know if I have the right size wrench. I don't know. one. Now I got, I only got one more. That's great. And that should, oh man, I haven't seen the underside of that in a long time. Perfect. Voila. Alright, well, I almost got everything in my shop. Figured I'd go over and go check out how they're getting along with this dock, because we got to pull out. It's like a 30-foot dock, long aluminum dock. So I think they're having trouble getting that, so I figured I'll come over and try and help them out with that. Huh? That's the process of how you pull a big aluminum dock out. One on. 3 more to go. Let's get it. I could not be a NASCAR pit stop dude. I'm too slow at that. Alright, well, it's been a minute, honestly. I don't even know where I left off at. Was it the docks? I don't know. I've had to go fill up gas and the truck and the tank. Get all the stuff out my room that I want. I pretty much took all my clothes. I'm not risking anything. And yeah, there's no more campers. They're all got them out of here, which is good. House is boarded up. Got most of the stuff. I mean, you can't take everything. Alright, well. Figured I'd take one last video of my room. Mainly for me to have. But I'm not saying it's gonna be gone, but There's a good chance. Yeah. You can't believe this is happening. Alright, we've made it to town. We are at gas station. I don't know what we're gonna do. I guess. I don't think we're gonna gas. Maybe air. Alright, just pulled up to the hotel. It is packed. I mean packed. I didn't get to show the side. But yeah. I think the whole Taylor County population is here. There's the ABC news station. ABC.
Stop. Sorry, I'm just stopping you. You can go on. I think he just got back to me and said he needed to shoot something. Oh, okay. So there's
What's up? Made it to the hotel room. It's really dark. How do I turn the lights on in this place? Woo. Woo. Hey, not too bad. I'm hungry. Getting dark. House camper. There's a lot of U-Hauls and boats and trucks. It's kind of hard to see, but you get the idea. In the hotel, just got filmed by ABC News. I'm famous now. I hope he knows that's going on YouTube.
I know, guys. This is so fun.
Yeah, dude, easy. Yeah, there's the forecast. Dude, move out the way. I'm not looking good. Yeah, I'll see y'all in the morning.